Hello, hello, hello. Good day, everyone. As usual, I actually just want to show my journal, the trading journal on gold today. Okay. Before we dive into the gold analysis, I want to check the update about the existing trade, which is Euro USD. So we'll quickly go over to the chart now and proceed from there. It's going to be a very brief video anyway. Just quickly need to do the analysis, know where we are in trading at the moment. Are we in positive or negative side? And then we quickly do um, the small analysis on gold, and then we call it a day. As I've said, this is not trading advice. It's just a way of my just a way for me, journaling, looking at my trades. I can as well share it to you guys to see if you guys could actually benefit from it. Okay, so let's you know jump into the chart right now. Just a moment. Okay, let's go to the chart. All right. Before we analyze gold, let's go to our last trade on Euro USD. If you remember, we opened trades using 1 hour time frame. This is daily time frame. So let me switch to 1 hour time frame. Okay, great. This is our last analysis. This is our last analysis. The analysis still stands. Nothing serious. The market to trade. Okay, the stop loss is behind here. So the market is moving back up. So there's no need to panic. We just need to leave it the way it is. Okay, and see what the market will do. So the Euro USD is still, from my own end, is still in profit. Okay, I'm still in this trade. As I've said before, I mentioned in the last video, this point is my take profit. My take profit until I see something otherwise. As it is right now, I've not seen anything that will say, okay, it's time to leave the market. No, the market retrace, normally. There's no point panicking. You understand? So just have to leave it. Hopefully, it's going to take the profit before we can look for another opportunity on Euro USD. But for now, this is just a recap on the, you know, Euro USD that is still open. So let's go to gold. This is gold, almighty gold. This gold, if you don't know how to trade gold and you dabble into it, gold is very, very volatile and sensitive. And so it reacts so many things. As we speak right now, we know that there's a war going on in between Israel, US, and Iran. Well, we're actually expecting gold to serve as safe haven, but it's not doing that at all. However, in my own fundamental analysis, sentimental analysis, I'm actually expecting gold to go north. That's what I'm expecting gold to do. But for the past 2, 3, 4 weeks, the guy has been so stubborn. Just keep deceiving traders. Anyway, let's go to higher time frame. Let's start with instead of weekly. Let's look at weekly as usual. Based on the simple strategy we are still using right now, okay, just follow me using the strategy. There's nothing for me to put together here on weekly time frame. So we'll go to daily time frame and see if there's an opportunity. Okay, I love this retracement. Okay, love this retracement, very nice for me. Okay, let's just bring on our simple tool. And it's so funny that as this market is so volatile, challenging, it will shock you that just a simple thing, simple approach that actually, gets makes more money, get money from the market. If you overcomplicate things, you just be sweating in front of your system, you know, unnecessarily. Simple thing, simple thing that people commonly use, but they don't use it properly. Okay, I know by the time if somebody have gone to buy a course, take up a course, and they'll be telling him about this simple tool that I'm still going to introduce right now in the next few seconds. They will be showing to him, and if you go to YouTube, you'll be seeing things too. See people drawing it from experience. It doesn't work that way. It takes a lot of some years of experience before I realized that no, it's simple, but it doesn't work the way people present it. So I change everything by myself. I discover by myself, and it's been so fantastic. Okay, let's try to use it now. Analyzing gold. All right. So bring it up. You all know this too. What do you call it? Trend line. Trend line. You can use it as vertical line, horizontal line, basically a straight line. If I ask to draw a trend line now, you will take it from point A, which is the upper part. You draw it like this. That's what we are taught, Abby. Okay. So if you actually want to use it to form channel, what will you do? I'm talking about what people usually do out there. They take it, they'll be looking for weak. No, 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 no. You have left the market. Market has actually left you by doing so. No. So we are not going to be doing that. No, no. So we remove the drawings, we do it in our own way. This is my own way of doing it. I just assume that you actually in family. That's why I'm using the word in our own way. Okay. Let me do it the way that it works for me. I take it from the upper part, from the wick. The next, where the retracement is coming from, this is retracement coming from here to the point B, and the point B will not be, it won't be on the wick. It's going to be on the close of the candle. We take it down, close of the candle. Okay, from the properly, it must properly. I want it to be, because that should be okay. Close of the candle. So the next step is to clone it. Clone it. That is more easy. You can actually do this on MT5 too, but it's so so easy. It's so easy to do on trading view. So you clone it. Take the set corresponding, let me say the clone copy. Okay, you are placing it not on the wick, on the body of the candle, the closed candle. That's where the retracement start from. Can see the retracement start from here. This is the closed candle. You place it. Okay, good. Now Let's assume that okay, if I actually wanted to do replay right now, that would be wasting our time. Let's even say I'm taking this. Let me remove it again. This is my point A, point B. I want to clone it now. Clone, and I'm taking it. Let's assume that this is a current, you know, this is where the market is. So I take it to the close of the candle. Okay, just follow me. Close of the candle. So the market now move. Okay, look at the market immediately got here, rejected it, move. For example, unless we are doing back testing now, but it's just still a live account. What you do immediately it close back into the channel. You open buy, your stop loss behind. You are coming here as take profit. If you are going to trade, open the trade using daily time frame. Okay, so on daily time frame right now, if you are looking at daily time frame, let's assume that you want to open a trade to the way the market is at right now, even though we are trying to back test. So it's a move. Okay, I'll move the shirt, I'll move the shirt, move it, move it, move it, move it, move it. If you have actually open position from here, let me see. Let me use the long tool. Okay, you are saying you are taking your profits, taking profit here, and your stop loss here. Okay, so let me move the shirt. Can you see? Can you see? Risk reward. This risk reward usually makes sense. Okay, 2 to 0.7. Okay, two times of the SL. Remove the chart, remove the chart, remove the chart. Because this is this is the daily time frame anyway. Okay, now right now this is where you are. If you actually if you are opening position using the daily time frame. Okay, so we are not going to, well, if you like you can do that, but I for intraday trading, I love using 4 hours time frame and 1 hour time frame. So I'm just using daily time frame. Okay, for what did they call them now, for another class of traders. But basically I do intradays. I look, I open position basically looking at 1 hour. So I'm going to switch to, let me close all this. Let me close this through reward. So now this is where the market is right now. So let's go to 4 hours, 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame. Is any opportunity? There was, there was, but if I keep, you know, doing analysis here as it is right now, it might be confusing. So let's just go to the current market price. Market price, looking at 4 hour time frame, I don't see anything, any opportunity at all. I can't see any opportunity. No opportunity. So let's go to 1 hour, which is the last time frame. That's why I stop on, I stop my analysis on 1 hour time frame. I don't go below 1 hour. To me, any time frame that is less than 1 hour, just unnecessary noise. Okay, if this, I like this retracement. Let's see, I like this retracement. Okay, if I do this, if I pick my trend line from here to the close of the candle. Okay, okay, and I clone it, I place it here. Oh, shush. The market didn't even give any opportunity. Okay, okay. I'm looking. This is if you are looking at this current market price as we speak. There's no opportunity. Supposed to give you opportunity here, but there's nothing. And as we move on, I'm going to introduce another concept. I call it entry cheese. Entry cheese, but that might not be today because I don't want this video to be too long. I just really want to do analysis on gold and um, stop the video. Anyway, so let me bring that today. So it's looking at the current market price, there's no opportunity. But for someone that's actually following, I've been following gold as a matter of fact. If I look at this retracement to me, I like it. I like it. So let me just try the whether it will be anything to make any sense here. If I pick it from here to this point, okay, okay, I clone it. This is retracement leg. I clone it. I put it here. Now, as this market is right now, okay, if I actually want to do it, and my MT4 is closed. On my phone, I can open position. If actually I'm talking to myself right now, looking at this market structure, looking at it, what this is give this just simple tool is giving to me. I'm going to open buy. I'm going to open buy. Why am I doing that? Everybody out there, the old world is looking at gold, and that the gold is it's it's going. Let me put this way. It's is on downward trend. No, to me, it's time to be corrected. This is a market, it cannot be that sure. But to me, I would say this gold is going to the north. So for the fact that my daily time frame, which is the bigger time frame, if it's in buy structure, look at that's why I call I call this this channel, I named this channel counter capital. Counter capital. You do opposite to what people out there are doing. Everybody out there is looking at gold. Some will be throwing Fibonacci now. Let me see. Some people will even be throwing Fibonacci. Fibonacci. They will be throwing Fibonacci. It's not. I think it's going to be around 50% there about. I don't know why this one is not even giving 50. I don't have time for that. Some people will now be throwing Fibonacci on this daily time frame. So, and if they throw into Fibonacci around this point, you'll be saying 50% Fibonacci. Probably it moves a little bit further. You'll be saying 61.8, moving a little bit further. You'll be saying 17 something. And people will be taking action. Eh? People will be taking action. Before you know it, okay, we as we here we go to our 1 hour time frame, okay, we open buy position. We will not be too greedy, even though we are still in the daily time structure. We take our profit here and leave the rest for them. Okay, so what we just do to buy now. But that's what I will do. Looking at this market, I will buy, place my stop loss around here. Okay, let me see this risk reward position. Buy profit. So to credit ratio 2.03. But that's my that's all for the gold. You buy you take positions, you buy, close your MT4, MT5, or any other platform you are using, and do something else. Come back later to check it. So there's still going to be a follow-up video on this trade. Okay, there's still going to be a follow-up. Knowing fully well that, however, on daily time frame, on daily time frame, this is take profit. This is the entry point. Even if the 1 hour time frame do otherwise, just wait for another opportunity. Wait for another opportunity. Okay, if this one, if it does otherwise, just wait for another opportunity. You will recover from your losses immediately. Even make more for profit. So having said you haven't explained, having analyzed gold, I think I will have to stop here. Thank you very much for watching the video. Just forgive the presenter for now. It might be still too so slow. It's not this person is not a professional content creator. This person talking to you is a trader. What he knows how to do just to trade this financial markets. Not somebody that will just be speaking grammar without any result. No. If you just hang around, be following to subscribe to this channel and be following the trades that I'm taking, and you to be noting it down, you see the difference in your account. I'm not saying you. I've said before that I just using this, as opportunity to journal my trades, see our records of my trades. That's what I'm actually doing this on this platform. So thank you very much. See you later for the update.